Well, good morning, everybody. It has been a wild 1-2 day already. It's only 8 o'clock. I was woke up at 5 to my phone going off with a weather alert, sirens going off. We had a tornado blow through, quite literally, my area. So I've been up and, I don't know, doing anxiety things. So I thought I'd knock out a video. I think it has stopped storming for now, like quite literally right now. So hopefully, I don't know if anything else is happening today, but we've had, I think, 11 tornadoes since last night, and 22 since Sunday. So it's been a wild, I was going to say weekend, but it's Wednesday, so it's turning into a wild week. But anyways, I have a haul here I got yesterday, so I thought I would share that while I'm up, and then I'm going to take a nap in between whatever else is going to happen. I have no idea. So what we have here is a twin pack of 3 cheese penne hamburger helper. We have a twin pack of the hamburger helper stroganoff. We have 1 pack of the hamburger helper tomato basil. And you can use your canned meats in this stuff, your home canned or your store-bought. You don't have to limit yourself to hamburger, so keep that in mind. You can use your chicken, roast beef, pork, home canned meatballs, sausages, whatever you have. So I got another can of the bacon spam. I got a jar of marinated artichoke hearts. And I also do marinated mushrooms. I can those. I have a video on that. Those are really good to have on hand so you can still have a, deli or relish tray. I have my favorite sausage from California, salami, the Gallo salami. I buy the 2-pound chubs, have them shipped, and slice them up and freeze them. And I got another jar of salsa verde. I got some turnip greens, southern style. I've got 2 cans of water chestnuts. That's for stir fries and stuff. I used the jar of pepperoncinis in the last canning recipe, so I replaced that. I got some Heath chips because I'm going to be doing a collab with Teasers Pleasers in November for cookies. But I think I'm going to do cookies that take minimal ingredients because I think some of us might struggle this year. I already have trying to find some items for cookies. So I'm going to do easy peasy, and that will be every Saturday in November, I believe. It's a virtual cookie exchange. And then I got another one of these chicken bouillon powders because mine is almost gone. I got some Chipotle creamy Taco Bell sauce. Everybody says that's great. I got another bottle of the Taco Bell hot sauce. I love to make the Taco Bell copycat items, and you can do that with their sauces and stuff. And if you use your home canned hamburger, it tastes just like Taco Bell. I got some Fritos because I like to make Frito chili pie, and I think other places call it a walking taco. Did I get the oatmeal? I got another canister of old-fashioned oats. I got 3 cans of ranch style beans. I got 2 packages of the carb balance tortillas. I got this brand of salsa verde just because it was cheaper, so I thought I'd try it. I got a package of pollo asada marinade, citrus. It's for chicken. I got a can of cannellini beans. I got 2 more gallons of vinegar. If you hear some steaming, I have some ham and bean soup and sausages in the carry canner because I'm anxiety cleaning this morning. I have 2 packages of Taco Bell seasoning mix. I got 3 packages of pork gravy, and I got 3 packages of turkey gravy. So that is my haul for, it was yesterday, and just thought I'd get that knocked out. And yeah, I think I'll take a nap if I can. And I have to work tonight. I called in for my first shift today and said it's not happening. So yeah, you all take care, stay safe, very safe, and stay healthy. I think it's going to be a crazy winter. Last year in October we had that crazy ice storm when everything was still green. Everything is still green now, and it took out pretty much a lot of the state and the trees and stuff. So at least we have wood for winter from that. But anyways, take care, and I will see you all in the next video.